Classification. Sectors of the Indian economy.
There exist several economic activities in an economy.
Some producing goods, some producing services, etc. Three types of classification are primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors. Organized and unorganized sectors. Private and public sectors. Classification based on the nature of economic activities involved. Primary sector. When production is undertaken by directly using natural resources, it is termed as primary sector. Example: cotton cultivation, mining, fishing, etc. Primary sector is also called agriculture and related sector. Primary sector is known as primary because products of this sector are the base for all the products further made. Secondary sector. Secondary sector covers activities in which natural products are changed into other forms. Manufacturing is usually done by the use of machines, that is, industrial activity is involved. Therefore, secondary sector is also called industrial sector. Example: making sugar from sugarcane, using cotton fiber to spin yarn, etc. Tertiary sector. Tertiary sector does not produce goods, but instead produces services. Services are activities that help in the functioning and development of primary and secondary sectors.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.